Hello, Professor. My name is HarinathMeiyanathan. I'm going to be presenting about my managerial and leadership skills evaluation. So, based on the Indigo assessment and on the ORID model, I have found out my strengths and weaknesses. First, I will talk about my strengths. First thing is I'm good at decision making. I believe I gather inputs from various angles and I evaluate the impact of any decision for the small business. I think it will be very important for a small business that is starting from scratch because they will have a lot of issues, and then decision making skill becomes a key component of any business owner. And for second one is conceptual thinking. I have the ability to identify patterns. I have a great attention to detail, and I also envision hypothetical situations to formulate new concepts. And I'm always goal oriented, and regardless of the circumstances, I always take calculated risks for the company to achieve results. I think these are really important for a small business. And I'm also good at problem solving. I use past experiences from where I have worked previously, and then I use it to solve new problems. And I'm also good at conflict management. This skill I have noticed me myself being doing this while performing in the group projects. And I'll move on to the weaknesses that I found out based on the ORID model. And I always have assumed that others in the team should take the initiative while researching about the client or also while visiting the client. I think that is one area where I have to improve. And another thing is time management and priority management. I have this habit of starting to work on my assignments at the last stage. I think this is due to my procrastination. And I'm also not flexible to focusing on teamwork and collaboration. I found this to be my weaknesses. And based on my weaknesses, I can say I have learned the following lessons that I have to improve on these areas, and because of this, I have developed a smart action plan, which I believe will be essential to develop my skills. The first one for self starting, I have set goals like I will set clear goals and deadlines for each task, and I will track those using the Google app, and I will dedicate 30 minutes to review each of those, and I will follow this for 3 months. And for improve my flexibility to team situations, I will proactively seek feedback from all my teammates and manager, and I will work on those for at least 6 months and then see the impact, how it goes from there. And I'm also focusing on trying to be resilient. I often find myself to be pushed back when I have some setbacks, and it takes time for me to get back to the normal situation. So I will work on that as well. And the other thing that I'm trying to focus really well is my time and priority management. I'm going to use a Excel spreadsheet to mention all my tasks and keep track of the time taken that I usually take to finish those tasks. And I will assign priority levels. Based on the priority levels, I will use the Eisenhower matrix to classify the tasks, and I will break down the bigger tasks into smaller tasks so that it becomes easier for me to complete those tasks on time. And finally, uh, I will be talking about the peer evaluation of my team members. I believe all my team members have demonstrated exceptional coordination, communication, and collaboration. And we also were able to manage all our submit all our projects on time. And the quality of work has also been really good. It has been outstanding, and each member has clearly mentioned. Took their time to show their interest in the project, and they cooperated very well in deciding what they are going to do, and I think it helped really well in producing the last work, and they also demonstrated initiative and leadership. So I'm rating all my team members excellent, and that's it from my side. Thank you, Professor.